Everything's under one roof.
Jinhan is always a bit more calm and nice, so I always find a lot of interesting things.
In JINHAN FAIR has a little bit of all the products and you can concentrate a little bit more on each item.
We're here looking for inspiration and all the new things.
Exhibitors here, very helpful, willing to work with us. And
we have found a lot of new suppliers, and the people of this supplier has become friends for us.
我们更希望做一些线上的渠道，跟客户有更频繁的一些交流。
核心还是在设计，因应不同的市场有不同的潮流、不同的设计。
做好我们的内功，更多的开发一些新的市场。
每届参加展会都会有很多的新客户。
I've been having a lot of Middle Eastern clients, and I found a few very big chain stores in South America.